Everybody, we've got up for review today a product by Cosey&Rosy. This is a women's deep V lace bralette, and of course it's a lot of lace, so it's probably going to be somewhat stretchy. We're going to go ahead and check out the measurements of it here in just a bit. So first off, here's the bottom. You can definitely see it's got a good amount of see-through to it. However, there's a extra patch on the inside. Sorry, got some stuff there. And this is the pink extra small right here. So let's go ahead and get some measurements on it. Waist, obviously, it looks like it's going to be curved. The waist is going to be about that's 12.5 across, so about 25 inches all the way. But stretch-wise, it stretches quite a bit. So if you guys want to see that, it easily can stretch quite a bit. I don't know how comfortable that would be, but I'm just showing that I can. As far as depth, you're looking at about what looks to be about a 6.5 inch drop. And then taking a look at the top, you can see there's some more fabric there that's supposed to prevent some see-through, I bet. You can't really see my fingers too well through it, but I imagine if there were like some dark colored nipples underneath, you would probably be able to see that. You have 4 adjustable spots for the clasp, and that one looks like it's going to be about 11.5, so 23 before the stretch. And of course you can tighten it up even further. And so this could go all the way down to about 10.25, or it's going to be 20.5 across. You can see here the straps are adjustable, which are important. They also stretch quite a bit. These stretch a lot more than the bands do. Alright, there you go. So any questions or comments, ask them and I'll get to them as soon as I can, but thanks for watching, guys.